Hi students, let us do some practical problems based on the Venn diagrams, operations on the set like that. Say the basic principles now I tell you, after that we can go through the problems. If the problem is given something like n of a, it means that the number of elements in set A, n of a, okay, the number that represents the set A, number in the sense not the elements, number of elements in the set, okay, and n of b is number of elements in the set B, and n of a or b is taken as or b or at least one of them, either or can be written as n of a union b, okay, n of a and b, suppose both together, something like that. If it is given, it is taken as n of a intersection b. So all together or common among all the two, like that, if it is given something like that, we have to write n of a intersection b, and these things are related with a formula. The basic fundamental formula is n of a union b can be taken as n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b, and we can also call it as addition theorem or union theorem, operations theorem, something like that. Okay, now this is for two sets. For three sets also it is there, I tell you. And before going to three sets, I'll explain you one more thing. Suppose if you are asked to find out n of a minus b, how it will be asked? It will be asked like this: n of a only. Where is n of a only? You have to take it like this: n of a minus b. N of a. How to find out n of a minus b? How? What is a minus b actually? This is a minus b. No. What we are doing, from n of a, we are removing n of a intersection b. Remove the common elements from. In the same way, n of b only. When this b only is asked there, n of b minus n of a intersection b, the common, and a intersection b is same as b intersection a. Okay. Now, for three sets, I tell you, I'll explain you the formula for a union b union c. That means either a or b or c. It can be written as n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c plus n of a intersection b intersection c. In this, these three are for both. That means both a and b, both b and c, both a and c, and this is all together, and this can be showed in figure like this: a, b, c. When you fill also, you have to fill with the center part. The center part is nothing but all the common part. Okay. Now I will do some problems of exercise 1.6. Okay, please take this. The first one is direct formula. N of x and n of y are given, n of x union y is given. We apply the same formula: n of x union y is n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So this is given 38 and this is given 17 and this is given 23. We need n of x intersection y. Bring it here. N of x intersection y is 40 minus 38. This is 2. That's it. Now in the second question, x and y are two sets. X union y has 8 elements, x has 8 elements, and y has 15 elements. How many elements does x union intersection y has? Number of elements, you write like this: n of x union y is 18. It means that n of x is equal to 8, n of y is equal to 15, n of x intersection y is what? You can do with the same process that what we did in the previous problem. Third problem, In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? In a group of 400 people, it is given, no? So 400 people will talk definitely. So when they talk, we take Hindi as H, English as E. All the 400 people we have to take H union E because they talk something, either Hindi or English. Either or came. So we take it as H union E. And N of H is given as 250, N of E is given as 200. You are asked to find out N of H intersection E, by which the formula is there. So we can find it out. In the same way, fourth question, the same thing. Fifth question also same thing. Seventh question also same thing. Sixth also same thing. Seventh question is also same. You can do. In seventh question I'll do only tennis but not cricket. They have asked like this. I do the seventh one. Group of 65 people. It is about cricket and tennis. So N of cricket is 40 and N of cricket union tennis is 65 and N of cricket intersection T is 10. How many like tennis and how many like tennis only? This is the question. There is difference between these two. So first you can find out this using the formula. What is the formula? N of C union T. N of C plus N of T minus N of C intersection T. Okay. N of C union T is 65 is equal to 40 plus N of T we don't know, and this is 10. 30 will go here, it becomes 35 is N of T. So N of T we got. Then what about N of T only? N of T only, I'll tell you. See, this is cricket and this is tennis. Tennis only is this. This you can write it as N of T minus C. To get that, what we should do? From T, you have to eliminate common things of C and T. That means from 35 you have to remove 10, which are common. This is 25. I tell you how to fill the figure also. See, from the figure also you can do this. See, I'll write bigger. See, what is C intersection T? CT. 10 here. What is C? 40, no? From 40 already 10 is here. We write 30 here. Okay. Total is 65. From total 65, 65 means here 40 is there. So it becomes 25. Directly you can give the answer. See, A union B is 65 because people are there. So 65 people are here. Now, the whole thing should give us what? Union. Either or. Whole figure always gives us union. At least, 8th question is of at least one. Even you get at least one also, you have to do union. A union B. Okay? Hope you understood this. And we'll do some other problems of sets of these models. But first we finish the exercise. Then we can go with some experimental problems. All the best.